Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a quick, what we're doing here, right? So we're running some messenger ads, and we have it set up as a messenger ad, and it's coming in as a Facebook lead form. So let me show you real quick. If you see right here, we've created an ad to where if they wanted to come in and they're saying, we gave them this recipe, it's a Buddha bowl recipe, and then it's a video of actually creating the bowl. And then we have DM us vegan to get our free guides, because we have two guides, a vegan starter meal guide and a reference guide, right? And so that's kind of like our little low ticket hook, right, to get them in. And so what ends up happening is when they come in, though, we already got a messenger created, and this is what it looks like. As you can see right here, boom. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you guys. Right here, it says, "Hi Joe, are you interested in our vegan starter meal?" And I said, "Yes." Click the button vegan, and as soon as it does that, it's gonna say, "Thanks for reaching out. Check your email." So what ends up happening is now that it comes in here, it's gonna go through here. It's gonna show. Let's see. We'll make sure we got the right one. Yep, vegan. And what ends up happening is they get tagged, so we know which one it is, and then we get email right here that's sent to them because I think because my email is already in the system, it didn't ask for it. So, but what it's going to normally do is going to ask for the email, and then when it gets the email, it's going to send them this email right here and send them the guides. And so, let's see, we're going to have to move this up. So what ends up happening as well, though, is it gets signed to a user on the team, so that when it emails them, it looks like it's being emailed by someone like one person instead of like it looks like a machine. So there's a user right there, right? So automate the stuff, guys. This is pretty much what it is. So these guys can do more. They can filter these people out, and then we can run them, through our funnel. Because not only do we have that, we also have another lead conversion ad going in the back end that we're waiting to get approved for. Then we have this engagement ad right here, and this is pretty cool because we're going to run it to where it's taking each post and making them the ad. And so we've got the same thing already in the post, and so it just looks like it just looks more organic as far as like when it's down the timeline. So we're gonna throw a mix in there. They're gonna see us popping up everywhere, and we can get some people to convert. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a holler, and let's get you set up too.